What's up, foodies? Today I've got an amazing recipe that's perfect for the grilling season. We're making grilled asparagus with a Sriracha Hollandaise. So let's get into it. First, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, then toss your asparagus with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and salt and pepper. Then place your asparagus onto the grill and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until it's tender and slightly charred. Then remove from the grill and keep warm. I want to tell you about my new best-selling cookbook, The FOOD-DEE Odyssey, Totally Greek, which is now available. From mouth-watering moussaka to crispy cheese pies, every recipe is crafted with passion and love, inspired by years of working in Greek restaurants and my months of travels all over Greece. You can grab your copy in the description below. Now let's make our Sriracha Hollandaise. In a tall container, combine 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Use an immersion blender or a blender to mix these ingredients until fully blended. With the blender running, slowly pour in half a cup of warm melted butter into the mixture and continue to blend until the sauce thickens and becomes creamy. This should take about 30 seconds to 1 minute. If the sauce is too thick, you can thin it with a little warm water. Taste and adjust the seasoning, or add a little bit more sriracha if needed. Arrange the grilled asparagus on a plate and generously drizzle with the Sriracha Hollandaise sauce. Serve immediately while the sauce is still warm. And there you have it, my grilled asparagus with Sriracha Hollandaise. Feel free to experiment with the Hollandaise sauce by adding different flavors like smoked paprika, garlic, or fresh herbs like dill or chives. This Sriracha Hollandaise also goes really well over eggs benny with smoked salmon. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. And until next time, foodie out.